Good morning, it's early today, but I saw a trade opportunity on Cardano. So in this video, a couple of minutes talking about my technical analysis on Cardano. Alright, it's an early one today because I saw a trade opportunity on Cardano. Welcome on this channel. Good morning. My name is Corne, and if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing because I am sharing every week, 2 times a week. Actually, I'm sharing my technical analysis on cryptocurrencies, trade opportunities, short videos, 4 or 5 minutes. So if you like these videos, please consider subscribing, like this video and share it among friends and family. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the content. And that's at first, if you're looking for an exchange, please check out FTX exchange. After Binance had its troubles, especially in Europe, I switched to FTX exchange, and I like this exchange very much. It's super clear for me. You can trade futures, a lot of pairs. You can trade spot pairs. You have other leverage tokens that you can trade, staking, everything you need, low cost especially. So if you want to try this out, I have a link in the description down below. cornemerchant.nl/FTX, you get a 5% off discount lifetime. So if you're looking for a new good exchange, please check that one out. All right, let's go into Cardano, and that's at first the daily chart and the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart. On every time frame it's the same pattern forming up, like you can see here. We are extremely bullish in this market today, so patterns that might break out to the downside or are more likely breaking down to the downside in this market, I think will break out to the upside. So let's look at Cardano, and you see already on the daily this symmetrical triangle, and this is an extremely beautiful pattern. Like you can see, many touch points get respected a lot. So if we break out, and I think we are almost breaking out, that's why I wanted to get this video out as quick as possible. I think we could see the levels of the previous high, and that's $2.60. That's a nice target if we break out, and I think the breakout is imminent. So what will happen, of what is the best trading opportunity, is breaking out, retesting, making from the resistance to a support, and then get in this trade. Put your stop loss right beneath it, get this trade in, and right until 2.60. You can choose to get out of this trade fully, or let some funds rise to new all-time highs and further. But what I recommend is always taking a little bit of profit. So take a little bit of profit along the way, because this trade can make you around 20%. If you trade on spot pairs, if you trade on future or leverage, this can obviously make you more money. So this is on the daily. If we break down to the downside, that's a little bit of a problem, because then we see a price target of $1.70. I don't think that's happening, but if we break down, that's the price target, the price level to watch. If we go to the 4-hourly, you can see the same pattern is nicely forming here. You can see on the 1 hour it's nicely forming, so you can look for an entry on this lower time frames. I always look at the 50-minute chart because that's more specific, and then I can have the best entry for my trade. What you can do also is, if we don't break out yet, you can short as well this little short in the wedge pattern or the triangle pattern. It's 3.4% with the futures trade. This will bring you a lot of money as well. So you can trade in this triangle until we break out, and then trade the breakout, or you can get in right here. So if we zoom out again to the 4-hour, you can get in. If we get a rejection right here, you can get in this trade here already pre-breakout, and then trade the breakout as well. But then I would recommend the stop loss tight underneath right here, because if we break down, we could see the $1.70. So I hope you had a lot on this video. Go check out the FTX exchange. Like this video, share it among friends and family if you think they need to see it, and they need to see it. And please consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Adios.